Have you ever wished you could turn your kitchen into a powerhouse of culinary innovation with just a few gadgets? Well, hold on to your aprons, because today we're diving into the realm of the best kitchen gadgets of 2024. From portable grills to smart cookers, these kitchen marvels are here to revolutionize the way you cook, entertain, and indulge in delicious meals. But before we uncover these gems, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and join the viral Cameo community for more tantalizing content like this. Now, let's fire up those taste buds and explore the future of cooking. Number 1. OnlyFire Portable Charcoal Grill. Let's kick off our culinary adventure with the OnlyFire Portable Charcoal Grill. Picture this: you're out on a scenic camping trip or hosting a backyard barbecue, and suddenly the aroma of sizzling hot dogs and juicy steaks fills the air. That's the magic of this versatile barbecue grill. Compact yet mighty, this grill is your ticket to on-the-go barbecue bliss. With its sturdy steel construction and stainless steel cooking surface, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor cooking while delivering mouth-watering results every time. Plus, with ample cooking space and convenient fuel storage compartments, you'll never be short on flavor or convenience. Whether you're grilling up a storm at the beach or enjoying a picnic in the park, this portable grill is your trusty companion for culinary adventures. Number 2. Aroma Housewares AEW 306 Electric Wok. Next up, we have the Aroma Housewares AEW 306 Electric Wok, the ultimate kitchen essential for mastering the art of stir-frying and steaming. Say goodbye to takeout and hello to homemade Asian delicacies with this complete wok kit. Featuring a large 5-quart capacity and quick heat-up technology, this wok is designed to handle high temperatures and deliver perfectly cooked meals in a flash. Its durable non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the temperature probe and steam vent give you precise control over your culinary creations. Whether you're whipping up stir-fries, soups, or fried tempura, this electric wok is your ticket to professional-level cooking right in your own kitchen. Number 3. Cuisinmax 4 Slice Toaster. Now let's toast to convenience with the Cuisinmax 4 Slice Toaster. Say goodbye to bland breakfasts and hello to perfectly toasted goodness with this retro toaster. With 6 browning options and 4 functions to choose from, you can customize your toast just the way you like it. And with its extra wide slots and self-centering function, it's perfect for toasting everything from bagels to English muffins with ease. Plus, cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the removable crumb tray and sleek stainless steel design. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely breakfast at home or hosting a brunch party with friends, this toaster is sure to be the star of the show. Number 4. Egg Kitpo 29-inch Electric Griddle. Transform your kitchen into a culinary powerhouse with the Egg Kitpo 29-inch Electric Griddle. This commercial-grade griddle is a game changer, offering a large cooking area and adjustable temperature control for whipping up multiple dishes with ease. Its high-quality stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution, while the non-stick surface makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. Perfect for restaurants, food trucks, or home kitchens, this electric griddle is versatile enough to cook everything from pancakes to crispy bacon. Plus, with its user-friendly design and extra splash guards, you can cook with confidence and precision every time. Number 5. Dr. Dirt Broom Holder. Say goodbye to cluttered closets and messy garages with the Dr. Dirt Broom Holder. This wall-mounted organizer is designed to keep your cleaning tools neatly stored and easily accessible. With its durable aluminum rack and rubber grippers, it can hold brooms, mops, and other household essentials securely in place. Plus, its modular design allows you to customize the layout to suit your needs. Installation is a breeze with just 2 screws, and the included installation instructions make it easy to get organized in no time. Whether you're tidying up the kitchen, bathroom, or garage, the Dr. Dirt Broom Holder is your go-to solution for keeping clutter at bay. Number 6. Aroma 14-Cup Rice Cooker. Elevate your cooking game with the Aroma 14-Cup Rice Cooker. Perfect for busy weeknights or entertaining a crowd, this versatile appliance simplifies meal prep with the touch of a button. With a generous capacity of 14 cups of cooked rice, it's ideal for families, potlucks, and gatherings of any size. But this rice cooker is more than just a one-trick pony. It also doubles as a food steamer, allowing you to prepare meat, vegetables, and more while your rice cooks below. The simple one-touch operation and automatic keep warm function ensure that your meals are perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy whenever you are. Complete with a full view tempered glass lid, serving spatula, measuring cup, and steam tray, the Aroma Rice Cooker has everything you need to create delicious and nutritious meals with ease. Number 7. Chefman Exec Temp 12 Quart 5-in-1 Air Fryer. Prepare to revolutionize your kitchen with the Chefman Executemp 12-quart 5-in-1 air fryer. This multifunctional powerhouse combines the convenience of 5 appliances in one sleek and compact unit. Whether you're frying, baking, dehydrating, rotisserie cooking, or roasting, this air fryer has you covered. With a wide range of cooking temperatures from 95 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve crispy perfection on everything from French fries to rotisserie chicken with ease. The integrated smart cooking thermometer ensures precise results every time, while the auto shutoff feature provides added safety and peace of mind. Plus, with 28 touchscreen presets to choose from, you can whip up delicious meals with just the touch of a button. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a dinner party, the Chefman Exec-Temp Air Fryer is your secret weapon for creating mouth-watering dishes with minimal effort. Number 8. Mercer Culinary Bread Knife. No kitchen is complete without a quality bread knife, and the Mercer Culinary Bread Knife is the perfect tool for the job. Crafted from high-carbon Japanese steel, this knife boasts a wavy edge blade that effortlessly cuts through crusty exteriors without crushing the soft interior. Whether you're serving up a freshly baked loaf of bread or slicing into a juicy tomato, this knife delivers clean and uniform cuts every time. The ergonomic handle with textured finger points provides a comfortable and secure grip, while the Tang design ensures excellent balance and control. Easy to care for and maintain, simply wash by hand with warm water and mild soap after each use to maximize performance and longevity. Whether you're a professional chef or home cooking enthusiast, the Mercer Culinary Bread Knife is an essential tool for any kitchen. Number 9. Anova Culinary and 500 Professional Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Elevate your cooking game with the Anova Culinary and 500 Professional Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cooking enthusiast, this precision cooker is your secret weapon for creating restaurant-quality meals at home. Sous vide cooking uses precise temperature control to cook food to perfection, ensuring consistently delicious results every time. With the Anova Precision Cooker, you can cook everything from tender steaks and juicy chicken breasts to perfectly poached eggs and decadent desserts with ease. Simply set the desired temperature and cooking time and let the sous vide magic do the rest. Plus, with the free Anova smartphone app, you can monitor your cooking progress from anywhere and access a library of mouth-watering sous vide recipes. Number 10. Housewise Tabletop S'mores Maker. Last but certainly not least, we have the Housewise Tabletop S'mores Maker. This compact and portable fire pit brings the fun and warmth of a traditional campfire right to your tabletop, making it perfect for cozy nights in or outdoor gatherings with friends and family. Crafted from durable materials, including concrete and metal, this tabletop fire pit is designed to withstand heat and use while adding a touch of rustic charm to any setting. The smoke-free and smell-free design ensures a hassle-free experience, allowing you to focus on enjoying the company of your loved ones without any distractions. Whether you're roasting marshmallows, melting chocolate, or simply enjoying the flickering flames, the Housewise Tabletop S'mores Maker is sure to be a hit at your next gathering. Number 11. Kitchen Wand 4-in-1 Immersion Blender. Black Plus Decker, a Stanley brand, continues its legacy of kitchen innovation with the Kitchen Wand 4-in-1 Immersion Blender. This cordless immersion blender is a game changer, offering unparalleled versatility and convenience in the kitchen. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to streamlined cooking with this all-in-one powerhouse. With a rechargeable battery that provides long-lasting runtime, you can blend up to 74 bowls of soup or chop mountains of onions without skipping a beat. The kitchen wand comes complete with whisk, blender, food chopper, and can opener attachments, making it the ultimate space-saving solution for any kitchen. Number 12. Vakaya Stainless Steel Mandoline Slicer. Experience precision slicing like never before with the Vakaya Stainless Steel Mandoline Slicer. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this slicer combines razor-sharp blades with ergonomic design for effortless slicing, shredding, and cutting. With adjustable thickness settings ranging from paper-thin to 9 mm, you can achieve uniform slices every time, perfect for salads, gratins, and garnishes. Equipped with safety gloves and a blade guard, this mandoline slicer ensures safe operation, giving you peace of mind while you work. Its sturdy construction and non-slip base provide stability and control, control, making quick work of even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're preparing homemade French fries or slicing fruits and vegetables for a snack, the Vakaya mandoline slicer delivers professional results with minimal effort. Easy to clean and store, this kitchen essential is a must-have for anyone who values precision and efficiency in the kitchen. And there you have it, folks, the best kitchen gadgets of 2024. From portable grills to electric woks, these innovative appliances are sure to revolutionize the way you cook, entertain, and indulge in delicious meals. So why wait? Upgrade your kitchen today and unleash your inner chef with these must-have gadgets. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more tantalizing content from Viral Cameo. Until next time, happy cooking!